Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google TV, and in today's video I will show you how to completely update your Google TV, such as Google TV Home, Google TV Remote, and Google TV Screencast, as the case may be. All you have to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to completely update your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you proceed to settings of your Google TV. So I'm going to simply click on setting icon on my remote right here, then click on OK, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down, proceed to apps. Then right here you want to make sure you click on Google Play Store. However, in some cases you cannot see Google Play Store from the sections right here. You want to make sure you scroll down and then go ahead and click on See All Apps. So right here, make sure you scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Show System Apps. So under the System Apps, you want to make sure you scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. Continue to scroll down. And here you go. You have your Google Play Store right here. Click on OK and hit open, just like so. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to the top right here. Slide to the Google account of your Google TV, and then you want to make sure you proceed to manage apps and game. Click on it and you have updates right here. Click on update, and then here you go. And the next thing you want to do, you have all Google TV updates right here, such as Google TV Home right here. I'm going to start from Google TV Home. Click on it, and then here you go. And then you want to make sure you check on the different updates, screenshots right here, and the likes. Just want to make sure you go ahead and navigate to update and click on OK. Allow the update to run completely. Successfully update. Next thing you want to do here is to go back. The next thing you want to do is to proceed to Google TV ambient mode. Click on OK. Then you want to make sure you update this as well. So go ahead and click on update. Successfully update. Next thing you want to do to go back, and then you want to make sure you update your Google keyboard. Click on OK and click on update. After the successful updates, go back, and then here you go. Then for effective web browser, you want to make sure you update your Android system web view. Click on it and make sure you update this as well. And you are done. Lastly, go back to your home screen of your Google TV to effect the new update. You can as well turn off or restart your Google TV so that the new update will be reflected on your Google TV. It's that simple. This is how to completely update your Google Smart TV. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google TV topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.